everybody! Today I am showing you how to make this colorful, fun, and super easy pom pom wreath for Christmas. If you want to learn how to make this, stick around, it's coming right up. Hey everybody, I'm Sarah. This is Creative Ramblings, where I share simple, inspiring projects with new videos every week. Here on this channel, you can find everything from simple crafts to seasonal home decor. If that sounds like something you like, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this pom pom wreath and how it ties into this super colorful Christmas tree we've got going on in the foyer here. Today's video is part of a playlist hosted by the DIY Mommy. You can find her channel down below in the description. The Christmas DIY and Decor playlist is full of inspiring projects for the season. You can find that playlist down below, and when you're done watching this video, be sure to go check out all the other videos in that playlist. You are going to leave just totally inspired to go start creating. So this year, I'm in my foyer right here, and I decided to add a little white Christmas tree. And I have decorated this tree with all kinds of colorful ornaments. We've got paper ornaments, garland, little Christmas trees at the bottom, all kinds of stuff you can find other videos and posts on. So today we're talking about this wreath up above here. I knew I wanted a pom-pom wreath, but I didn't want to go to the trouble of making individual pom-poms to fill a full wreath. So I found pom-pom yarn, you guys. It is amazing. I have a link to it down in the description so you can go get your own pom-pom yarn. It comes in all kinds of different color schemes. So let me show you how I use that yarn to create this wreath. how beautiful does this wreath look above my colorful Christmas tree here. And it was so easy to make. You can get this pom-pom yarn in all kinds of different colors. Again, that link is down below in the description, so go take a look at that and you can easily create a wreath like this for your home. What I really like about this is these ornaments here I can actually remove. I can just snip off that string and I can use this for Valentine's Day and all kinds of other holidays as we move through the year. So it's a really versatile wreath. So again, this video is part of the Christmas DIY and Decor Challenge hosted by the DIY Mommy. Go check out that playlist and see all the other videos that I know are going to inspire you to create. If you like this video, let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wreath and give me a thumbs up while you're down there. If you want to see more simple, inspiring projects, I hope you'll consider subscribing. I will see you next week. Bye-bye.